All right, 16. We have a simple random sample of 1,000 obtained from a population whose size is 1 million, and the population proportion is specified to have a characteristic of 0.54. We're going to complete parts A through E. So I wrote a couple of the formulas we need right here. It says, does the sampling describe the sampling distribution of p hat? So all of them say approximately normal. So that means the random sample and the size have been confirmed. So the mean of the sample is going to be the same as the mean of the population, so 0.54. The standard deviation is going to be followed by this formula, square root of p times 1 minus p divided by n, which in this case p is 0.54. 1 minus 0.54 will give you 0.46. I just usually do the math pretty quick. These two should add up to be equal to 1. So just figure out what we need to do to add to 1. And then you divide by the sample size of 1,000. So computing that, 0.54 times 0.46 divided by 1,000, we get this. And when we round to 4 decimal places, which it doesn't even say, but you can see 4 decimal places in each of these, you get 0.0158, 0576, so you get 0.0158, so that would be A. And once we get the mean and standard deviation, we're going to be using the normal approximation. So that's what approximately normal, so we're going to find the probability of these two. So given that we have 560, we're trying to find the probability 560 out of 1,000, which will give us 0.56. So we're trying to find that proportion greater than 560. And then the second part wants to know out of 510. So you do the same thing to get the proportion. 510 divided by 1,000. That's our sample size, which will give us 0.51. So we're going to be doing the z-test with the 56 and the 51%. StatCrunch, calculator, normal. Mean is 0.54. Standard deviation, we're going to be using 0.0158, rounded value. We want greater than 0.56. And we get 1028, roughly 1028.1028. And then on the second part, we're going to be doing less than 510. Change this to less than 0.51. And we get 0.0288. So 0.0288 roughly.